Coca-Cola is a very popular and favored drink all around the world for many years. But what not many people know is that there are plenty of useful hacks you can try. Here are 5 Coca-Cola hacks you need to try. Let's get started. Window cleaner. One of the main ingredients in the Coke is citric acid. You can buy an empty spray bottle to pour Coca-Cola in it, or you can just remove the top part and put it in the bottle. As a result, you have a cheap and useful window cleaner. Pesticide. In India, some farmers use Coca-Cola instead of pesticides for pest termination because the high sugar content of the drinks can make them efficient in fighting pests. Stain remover. If you don't want to buy really expensive stain remover, take some Coca-Cola and pour it in the wash along with the detergent. Let it wet for 1 hour and the stains will be removed and your clothes will be deodorized. Vintage up your paper sheet. You can give your photographs or a sheet of paper an old and antique look with Coca-Cola. All you need to do is dip a picture or a piece of paper in a dish full of Coke. And let it soak for a second, or use a hairdryer. You will end up with a vintage-looking sheet. You can also create your own rocket with Mentos and Coca-Cola. To create your own rocket, you need 1 small bottle of Coca-Cola, a pack of Mentos, scissors, zeal, a cardboard, and a cork. To make the wings of the rocket, we have to make a small triangle. Fold it in half, and it has to look like this. Now we need to remove the sticker. If you're using a cardboard without sticker, you can just use glue. Now we repeat the same process. Once we're finished, we have to stick it to the bottle. This is the result. Now it's time to make the top part of our rocket. We have to create a cone. We can put it together with a piece of cardboard that we have not used. Now it's time to cover it with another piece of cardboard and adapt our cone to the size of the bottle. Finally, open the top of your Mentos and introduce the cork and surround it with zeal. Once your rocket is ready to go to an open space and open the Mentos from the other side, unclog the bottle, and put the pack of Mentos inside. Now, get ready for takeoff. These are some of the hacks you can try at home. I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to this channel for more crafty hacks. See you next time!